Each light sheet comes with 2 long and 2 short sheet connectors. Use short connectors to join adjacent sheets and long connectors to join offset sheets or to span gaps. To make a connection, simply match the connector's arrow with the sheet's terminal arrow and press the connector into place. Remove connectors by pulling up on the connector wings or the wires near the connector ends. Each power input kit, sold separately, will power up to 5 full light sheets or 86 watts. Plug the power input cable into the light sheet terminal the same way as the sheet connectors. Next, route the power input cable so that it will not cover any LEDs and use the included wire management clips to secure it in place. Last, with power off at the source, connect the bare wire ends to your power supply or control component using the included Wago connectors. To avoid voltage drop, we recommend that you centrally locate the power input connection so that the furthest part of any light sheet is less than 6.5 feet away. Quad bumpers, sold separately, are used to support forward-facing materials. We recommend using 4 per square foot or 8 per light sheet. To install quad bumpers, first remove the bumper's center cap. Next, remove the adhesive backing film and line up the center slot with the light sheet's pre-cut mounting hole. Press into place. Insert a screw into the bumper, sheet hole, and mounting surface. Do not over-tighten. Replace the bumper cap to complete the quad bumper installation.